Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to extract an audio from a clip on CapCut. So first things first, we're going to choose a clip we want to use. And after that, we're going to click on the edit icon that's at the bottom of the screen. And after that, we're going to scroll till we find this little icon that's next to volume that says extract audio. I'm going to click on it. And here is the audio from your whole video. And you can cut it, fade it, split it, add voice effects, and etc. etc. We can split it here, and then we can add, for example, a fade here. And that's about it. That's how you can extract an audio clip from CapCut. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.